Good day, guys, and welcome back to our channel, Shitcoin Updates, a channel where we bring you updates on shitcoins or meme coins. We try to be up to date across this platform, across all the meme coin platform or shitcoin platforms that we think are authentic and legit and will pay. And today, we are bringing the Musk Empire, a new Telegram in-app tap to earn game. This promises to be an exciting one. So meanwhile, I will have to go to the Telegram app center. Let's verify if this app is actually worth spending time. If Telegram rates it, then we know that this is one of the apps that we should be focusing as we start our crypto journey. Most of us are novice to this. This is our first time earning tokens from the crypto world. So let's delve into this today. Welcome. So this is the Telegram app minimized. This is the Telegram app center. So now on this Telegram app center, we can see trending apps from TapSwap, Bloom. So once I click on all, let's see. These are the trending apps here. Let's see. Well, for this week, though we haven't seen it on the trending apps yet, let's go back to new. Let's click on see all. All right. Okay, you can see we have dogs, baboon, pixel tap by pixelverse, monkey tap, not bitcoin, joke coin. All right, at number 1 2 3 4 5 6, number 7 we have Musk Empire. Okay, it says build your own empire. So this is where I come to check if I'm actually wasting my time or not. So you can see these are projects I can easily delve into. So let's go back. So this is Musk Empire. This is how the interface looks like. So we have a place. I think they've not told us what is going to be important, but from my experience with Hamster Kombat, you see that profit per hour seems to be the thing we should be looking out for. Okay, now we have, by beside it, we have the level. I'm currently on level 3, though I've not dedicated much time. There's an offer here, a coupon that says get 1 billion of the coin. So I'm trying to get the 1 billion as it is right now. Now we have a profit per tap here. I'm on +4. We have the fill rate, which is 3,500 over 500 for now for me. So this is where you tap this place where you see Elon Musk what will I call it, a kind of cartoonized Elon Musk. So it looks fine. So as it looks this pretty, I hope our pockets will be pretty at the end of the day. So let's go ahead with the game. Now I'm going to on my multi-tab bot. On my multi-tab board, this is my multi-tab board by the side of my screen. So I'm going to on it. Now I'm tapping. This makes the tapping easier. So I am tapping. Or this is my auto clicker. That's, you can go on Google Play Store and search on your well, if you use iPhone, you search on your App Store, on Apple Store. You see an auto clicker there. You download and do the settings. So this is the auto clicker. I'm waiting for everything to finish. It's kind of freezing because I did it so fast. So this is how I go about clicking on this app. However, the main point is increasing your profit per hour. As I earlier said, this is where the main goal is, increasing the profit per hour. So I am below here now. Meanwhile, you see below here there is a task button. So, and you see I can scroll. Okay, this tells me to unlock a new activity, and that which is improve CRM. So where is CRM? Where is the CRM? So I'm going to come back You see, we have on beneath the screen, there is a menu here, sorry, beneath the screen. Now we have earn, we have improve, we have improve, we have earn. All right, let me shift this up here. We have city, we have friends, we have quests. So all these places are where we are going to do some activities. This is where all the Musk empire becomes thrilling and full of fun. So let's go there. Let's go there. We have just done for earn by tapping. So now we are going to improve. Now under this improve, remember there is a task. When you scroll to this side, you see the task here to unlock a new activity. Improve CRM. Okay, CRM looks like a locker, so let's see what it is. Improve CRM. Now we have personal. In this improve side, we have personal, we have office, we have team. Sorry for me for that. We have team. So now when we are on personal, under personal, you see sport, nutrition, sleep, brain, discipline, critical, empathy, ethics. These are some other things I need to open that I have not yet opened. Under this, you see management skills, social skills, personal skills, body. So under body, I've done everything. So okay, now for me to open this ethics, it says I need to be in level 5. Right now I'm in level 3. So until I get to level 5 before I'll be able to open. Under socials, I need level 5, and ethics, this ethics to should be on level 5 also. And that is what happens almost here on the social app, social segment. For the management skill, okay, I've opened nearly everything except for this communication. So right now I'm going to open it. So I'm having a plus 4,000 to my profit per hour. So that is that. If I go further again, you see I'll have a plus 5,200. This is the goal of the game, your profit per hour. I think for now that is what we think. We don't really know, but just like how Hamster Kombat is doing, most of these other coins are adopting. So you can see as I am increasing my profit per hour, my level is moving up. This is my level where you see the Musk face here. You see my level. Just watch what happens now. I'm about to increase. So let me click on control. Let me click on control. Watch what happens. Clicking on control, I'm getting plus 35. Remember I'm on 38k, 38.3. So let me go. I paid 41,000. So 41,800. You see here, you can see right here, you can see this place, there is a 71%. So it's the easiest way to move up your level. All right, so now I'm trying to unlock from here, and the task here is unlock a new activity, improve CRM. So that is what I'm trying to do, but I'm only trying to show you guys this section on and how to improve on it, how to work on it, the game, how it works. So that is why it's a walk through the whole process in brief that I'm doing here. So for pitching, under business skills, for pitching I need to be on level 4. As soon as I get to level 4, all these will be available for me to grab. So now I'm coming to office. I've clicked on office. We have space, we have software. Now for this CRM, improve CRM, I need to be on level 5, and I need at least 3 friends to unlock this particular CRM. So though I'm starting new, I don't have much friends. Maybe one, just I don't even have a friend yet, I think so. So you see, okay, I have one friend. Okay, so I need more friends on this. So maybe before the day goes off, runs out, I will have the required at least five friends to open most of these things. So this is what it is here. As you can see, this the task, sorry, the task opening this CRM, improving it, I need to be on level 5 and at least 3 friends. Now we have equipment. Under equipment, you have desk. You see, this is a walkthrough. So what you just need to do is keep on improving. You keep on improving. That's all you need to do. They tell you for each of these things, task to perform, they will tell you add money here when you swear. You, so you see, I need at least 5 friends here. So that is what it is. Coming to team, also coming to team, you see, I have to be on secretary. You see, plus 700. If I click on it, I'm having an additional. Now for me to be a business assistant, I have to be on recruiter level 1. Right now I'm not yet there. So I'm not yet there. So recruiter level 1, recruiter level 3, plants level 2. You see, these are all what we have to do. So the game is eventful and it's going to be enjoyable, and the interface as it is arranged, it makes me trust the application as one that will do well. And okay, coming to the city section, we have hype zone, we have negotiations, we have stock exchange. Now when you click on this hype zone, you see, tell others about Musk empire by creating content. So once I add this my content link here, I'll be giving this 1 billion of this coin. Up to I can get up to that. So we have the mission, which is we have where I claim daily rewards, and the to-do list, which is invite 3 friends, invite 5 friends, win negotiations 3. You see, there are lots of activities here. There are lots of activities here. So once I watch this video, I'll be giving 100,000. So there are lots of activities here. So let's see. You see, there are lots. Join our telegram, invite 10, win 10 negotiations. I need like 2 of these to complete this 300,000 quest. So there are lots. Make a deposit on Bybit. You see, so I think my Bybit, I have it's time to start investing. Deposit at least $100 into Bybit account and receive 8 million coins after making the deposits, and enter your UID in the field below. So this is a sign that proves that this project is going to be actually worthwhile tapping. So I've registered on Bybit already. If I put my UID there, it's going to show. So those are the basic tasks, and I think this register on Bybit, we have to create the account through their. If you are a new user, you have to sign up through their link. If you sign up through their link, maybe you will get the benefit of all this. So now that is that. Based on the mission aspect, these are my finished missions, these are the pending ones. So this is content. Is the number 1 rules: create a fan video about Musk empire for YouTube shorts, Instagram reels or TikTok. Examples of videos are in the link. Okay, attach hashtag Musk empire for and your referral code in the video. Okay, so this is this 4K views, 1K to 4K views, you get 1 million. 5K to 9. So it's not a small journey. It's not a small journey, but we'll get there. So that is that. Now this is the friends segment. Okay, for each friend you refer, you get 5,000. For you and your friend, each of you guys get for you and your friend, you get 5,000. Also, you also have a plus 25,000 bonus for you and your friend if he has a premium telegram. So that is what it is here. That is that. These are the quests or tasks to do each day. So I think I've walked us through the Musk empire. So this is under this three menu here, this menu here with this sign here. We now have under that we have vibrate. If you want it to vibrate, you can on and off. Okay, you can change your language here. Now airdrop, if you click on airdrop, okay, it says it about the airdrop. It says this token will be launched on Ton. This game is the first step toward our ecosystem, our extensive ecosystem, which we will gradually reveal to you. One of the exciting stages ahead is a significant token airdrop. We are committed to maximizing your earnings. The number of tokens you receive in the airdrop will depend on several factors. We'll share all the calculation details in a bit later, sorry. For now, we can tell you that these three game metrics will play a major role in determining the final token distribution. Number one, as I said, profit per hour. Number two, the total number of coins you've earned through the period. Number three, the number of friends you've invited. For now, the most important thing is to enjoy the game, develop your character, and help us grow our ecosystem. So you say follow our Telegram channel. Once you click on this, if you've not followed, you see I have followed. So going back to the game, these are the three key things to do here. They've spelled it out. Profit per hour, which is number one, the key. Number two is the total number of coins you earn during the period of mining. Number three, the number of friends which you've invited. These are factors um that will be considered during the calculation of and distribution of the airdrop. So I think I have extensively touched on this. So for any comments, any action, questions, you should take action by using the comment section. Ask your questions, and I'll answer more in subsequent videos about this project and others. So stay tuned to our channel, subscribe, like, share. Invite your friends to follow our detailed tutorials on how to go about mining your darling shitcoins. Yes, they are taking the trend now. This is the trend. Everyone is going on Telegram apps. So let's start to earn. Many of us are going to be millionaires through this, like Notcoin did to some people in mind. So I hope that this wouldn't be something less, rather it will be something better. Thank you for subscribing.